shrink large pores on your nose overnight. If you look very closely at your face in the mirror, you will see almost transparent, fine hairs covering the surface of your skin. At the base of each is a pore, the opening of hair follicles. Some beauty articles talk about pores as if they were windows that can be closed or opened at will. But the truth is, they are always open. As you go about your day, dirt, dead skin cells, oil, and cosmetic products can easily clog them and make them look more prominent. As the nose is easily one of the oilier parts of the face, the pores in this area look even larger compared to those on the chin, cheeks, or forehead. Often, whiteheads and blackheads exacerbate the problem. Luckily, you need not resort to painful chemical peels to deal with all of these issues. The key to figuring out how to shrink large pores on your nose overnight lies in removing the gunk clogging them. 1. The best time to start this routine is about an hour or two before you go to sleep, as you need to keep your skin dry until the next morning. As the first step, wash your face thoroughly using a cleanser that contains salicylic acid or glycolic acid. These ingredients, also effective at removing sebum or oil, exfoliate the top layer of skin, which is mostly dead cells. Use the pads of your fingers to massage the product in, and leave it on for a minute before thoroughly rinsing. Gently pat dry. 2. Next, use a face steamer. If you don't have one, pour very hot water in a bowl and stand over it to allow the steam to flow over your face until the water cools down. This process softens the skin and loosens dirt and oils clogging your pores. 3. With the face still a little moist from the steam, apply a nose blackhead removal product according to the manufacturer's directions. Some come in specially shaped strips that fit over the nose, while others are a paste or gel that you spread on. Leave your chosen product on your nose for the recommended amount of time to pull out the whiteheads and blackheads. 4. To remove deep-seated blackheads, try using a comedone extractor. Typically made of surgical steel, this tool has a small hoop at one end and a sharp needle on the other. Usually, aestheticians use the latter to prick pimples and the former to squeeze gunk out of the pores and inflamed zits. To minimize pain and trauma to the skin, steam your face once more before manual extraction. Don't forget to disinfect the tool with 70% rubbing alcohol, and remember not to press too hard. The trick is to coax the blackheads out by applying pressure on the area surrounding the pore. Too much pressure will only drive the sebum deeper into the pore, where it can cause inflammation and pimple formation. After manual extraction, rinse your face with ice water. The cold causes pores to constrict and also helps minimize skin irritation. Pat dry. 5. Finally, apply a sheet mask over your face to soothe and moisturize. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove, then massage any remnants onto your skin and let it air dry. Skip your usual nighttime skincare routine. No more washing your face or applying additional products before going to sleep. Upon waking up in the morning, wash your face with ice water and your usual facial cleanser. You'll see that your pores look smaller and less obvious. You can make this routine on how to shrink pores on nose overnight a twice-weekly regimen in between daily use of skincare products with pore minimizing qualities. On days when you really need your nose to look perfectly smooth and even, dab a thin layer of silicone-based primer to fill in your pores and make them look airbrushed.